Imagine opening a map of the world, but instead of borders and countries, you see cracks, places where logic stops working, where nature seems to be experimenting. Today, you're going on a journey through the strangest places on Earth, and after this, you may never see this planet the same way again. We begin with a place where the sky and the ground switch roles, Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Once, this was a massive prehistoric lake. It disappeared and left behind something surreal, a vast white desert of salt. But when rain falls, everything changes. A thin layer of water turns the surface into a perfect mirror. You walk, and suddenly there is no horizon, no up, no down, just endless sky in every direction. People don't come here just for photos. They come to feel what it's like, to step outside reality. Now from silence to fire. In the middle of the desert in Turkmenistan, there is a crater that has been burning for over 50 years. They were drilling for gas. The ground collapsed. A giant hole opened. Scientists set it on fire, expecting it to burn out quickly. It never did. Today, it is known as the door to hell. At night, it glows like a living thing, flames dancing deep inside the earth. You stand at the edge, feeling the heat on your face, and a strange thought appears. What if this isn't just a crater? What if it goes deeper than we think?
Then the world changes again. Hitachi Seaside Park in Japan. Here there is no danger, only color. In spring, hills are covered with millions of blue flowers. In summer, the landscape shifts into new shades. In autumn, it turns golden. It feels like walking inside a painting, like nature is constantly creating and never repeating itself. But beauty can be deceptive. Lake Natron in Tanzania is one of the most hostile places on Earth. The water is extremely alkaline, hot, and caustic. Animals that enter the lake sometimes don't come back, and those that do are found preserved, almost like statues, frozen in time. It's beautiful, but deeply unsettling. Now imagine a place that feels completely detached from the rest of the world. Mount Roraima, a flat-topped mountain rising straight into the clouds. Its cliffs are almost perfectly vertical, like something cut it out of the earth. For millions of years, it remained isolated, and on top, an entirely unique ecosystem evolved. Plants that exist nowhere else, landscapes that look unreal. When you reach the summit, it doesn't feel like Earth anymore. It feels like another world. Now we go underground, but not just into a cave. Doong Cave in Vietnam is so large it has its own jungle inside. Rivers flow through it, trees grow toward the light, and clouds form beneath the ceiling. Yes, clouds. Openings in the rock allow sunlight to enter, creating a hidden world beneath the surface. Standing there, you realize how little we truly know about our planet.
Back to the ocean. From above, you see a perfect dark blue circle, the Great Blue Hole in Belize. It looks unnatural, like something removed a piece of the earth. This massive underwater sinkhole draws divers from around the world. Inside, there are ancient formations, silent and untouched. The deeper you go, the darker it becomes, and the mystery only grows. Now imagine stepping onto an alien planet, Socotra Island, trees shaped like umbrellas, plants that look impossible. Nearly a third of all species here exist nowhere else on Earth. The landscape feels unfamiliar, almost unreal, as if evolution took a completely different path. You walk through it, and everything feels strange, yet somehow perfectly natural. Then comes a river that looks like it's made of colors, Caño Cristales in Colombia. Red, yellow, green, blue. For a brief period each year, aquatic plants transform the river into a flowing rainbow. It's often called the most beautiful river in the world. And finally, ice. Deep in Iceland,
Inside a glacier are caves made entirely of blue ice, Vatnajökull Ice Caves. The color is deep, glowing, almost otherworldly. Each year, the caves change, move, disappear, and reform. You step inside, and it feels like being inside a crystal. This planet is far stranger than we think, a world of burning craters, rainbow rivers, underground jungles, and mirrored deserts. And this is only a fraction of what exists. The real question is, where would you go first?